Right, so this is a quick tutorial on how to open an image in Photoshop if the image is refusing to open on if it's actually a WhatsApp image. Because the thing with WhatsApp image is that if I click on this image now and I save this image, so this is a WhatsApp image and I save it. Now I have this image. Let me quickly go to desktop. As you can see the way it's saved, WhatsApp image, blah blah blah. So let's just say one. So we have it saved, and then I want to open that image in Photoshop. Now look at what will happen. So I go to desktop, look for one. If I bring it to Photoshop here, now you can see it's actually, this one actually open. But most of the time when you open an image like this, it's not going to open. So if it's not opening, what you simply have to do is very simple. Go to where the image is, right click on it and click on edit. So when you click on edit, it's going to open with photo paint, which is on every Microsoft Windows PC. And then what you have to do is just come to file, go to save as, and save as JPEG. Now it will take you to pictures or somewhere else on your PC, and then you choose, there's monochrome, there's PNG, just choose JPEG, click on save, and once you have it, so you now be able to open it anywhere. So you can see I've opened it here. So that's how you can quickly save any image and then open it on Photoshop.